If you've been trying to publish photos directly to Facebook from Lightroom and the option is missing, broken, or just not working, don't worry. You're not doing anything wrong. The reason is simple. Facebook changed its API, and Adobe no longer supports direct publishing from Lightroom Classic or the desktop version. So the built-in publish to Facebook feature is basically outdated now. In this video, I'm going to show you the only reliable workflow that still works. It's fast, simple, and it gives you better control over your image quality. And if you find this helpful, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more Lightroom tutorials just like this. Let's get into it. The correct method is to export your photos from Lightroom first, then upload them manually to Facebook. That may sound like an extra step, but it actually gives you more control over how your photos look once they're posted. Facebook compresses images anyway, so the key is to export them in a way that keeps them looking clean and sharp before upload. First, select the photo or photos you want to share in Lightroom. Once they're ready, click Export. This opens the export settings, and this is where we set things up properly for Facebook. Start with the file format. Choose JPEG. That's the best option for Facebook because it keeps file sizes manageable while still preserving good image quality. Next, set the quality between 80 and 100. If you want a good balance between quality and file size, 80 to 85 is usually enough. If you want to push for maximum quality, go a little higher. Just keep in mind that Facebook will still compress the file after upload, so anything in that range works well. Now go down to image sizing. This is one of the most important parts. Set the long edge to around 2048 pixels. That size is a sweet spot for Facebook because it gives you strong visual quality without creating an unnecessarily huge file. It also helps reduce the chance of Facebook over-compressing your photo too aggressively. For resolution, set it to 72 or 96 ppi. For web use like Facebook, this setting does not make a huge difference, but keeping it standard is the right move. Then, make sure the color space is set to sRGB. This is very important. If you use another color space, your photos may look different after upload, and the colors can appear dull or inaccurate on Facebook. sRGB is the safest choice for online sharing. For sharpening, enable sharpen for screen and use the standard amount. This helps your images stay crisp after export and gives them a better appearance when viewed on a phone, tablet, or desktop browser. Once those settings are in place, click Export and let Lightroom process the files. After the export is finished, open Facebook and upload the images manually. You can do this from your profile, a page, or a group depending on where you want the photo to appear. Add your caption, tags, and location if needed, then publish as normal, and that's the workflow. Since Lightroom no longer supports direct Facebook publishing the way it used to, exporting first and uploading manually is the best and most reliable method. It helps protect your image quality, avoids broken publishing issues, and gives you full control over the final result. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Lightroom tips, photo editing tutorials, and simple workflow guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.